What if you are given this kind of problem? Find the arithmetic mean between -4 and 20. Paano nyo kaya isosolve? Hi guys! Welcome back sa Love Math TV, kung saan ang math ay mas pinadadali at mas minamahal. For today's video, pag-uusapan pa rin natin si arithmetic mean. Sige, let's review. What is an arithmetic mean? An arithmetic mean is the term between any two terms in an arithmetic sequence. So, yung arithmetic mean, nasa gitna siya ng dalawang terms. And we have the formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus a sub n divided by 2. So let's try problem number 1. Find the arithmetic mean between -4 and 20. So we have the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus a sub n divided by 2. Ano ang a sub 1 natin? Yung first term, which is, correct, -4. So, -4 plus our a sub n is the last term, which is 20. And then, divided by 2. Okay? Now, what is -4 plus 20? I-add ba? Hindi, di ba? Kasi magkaiba sila ng sign. So, we have there 20 minus 4, 16. Positive ang sign ha, kasi mas mataas si 20 kesa kay 4. So, we have 16 divided by 2. Now, what is now 16 divided by 2? That's correct. That's 8. So, our a sub n or our arithmetic mean is 8. Okay? Now, you try number 2. What is the arithmetic mean between -16 and 50? Ngayon, kung naiintindihan mo ang video na ito, please i-comment yan sa ating comment section, mga anak ha. And please share videos para marami pang matuto sa math. And don't forget to follow for more math videos. Bye!